shown you a quiz I've uploaded to my kiddies channel, Zoe's Corner. You can go have a look at the rest of the quiz, but I created this in minutes on Canva using this new AI tool. So how do you do that? You're going to go to your apps and you're going to go to the powered AI apps, or you can search for quiz. And the app's name is called AI Quiz Maker. Very cool tool. You're going to select it and you're going to create quizzes that look like this in a matter of minutes. We are going to open a new design to create this quiz, and it's going to open a request for you. What kind would you like to create? So if you're creating a presentation, you choose presentation. I want to use a video because I have a YouTube channel. So you can use quizzes in class. You can use quizzes anyway for game time at home with friends. It's just a fun way to have the tool create quizzes for us. Once it opens, it will tell you that you can choose any topic and choose the number of questions and choices that you want. So this is what it means. It means you're going to type a topic. So I want a general kiddies topic for toddlers for my YouTube channel, but you can make cricket players or whatever you want to use the tool for. I can use famous cricket players, and then you choose the number of questions that you want, and then the choices per question that you want, and then you generate the quiz. And then you get the quiz. It will show you the questions as well as the choices of the correct answers. And then it tells you the answer as well. Because I remember watching Sachin Tendulkar when I was younger, when I was watching cricket. But I just wanted to show you how quick it is to create a quiz. So I'm going to start over and I'm going to do a kiddies one for my YouTube channel. 10 questions, but you can go up to 20, and you can have choice from 2 choices up to 6. I'll keep it at 3, and then you generate the quiz. Awesomeness. Now it shows you that there's a tip. You can select a card on our design to replace the text, or we can copy all content for bulk create. So let me show you the first one that they are referring to, and then the quicker one would be the bulk create if you have Canva Pro. Of course, if you don't have Canva Pro and you want to try it, you can go to my description below and then go try it there. So what do they mean when they say select text from our design and then we replace it? They mean if you have text on a design and you've already created this, say we have a text box that's on our design and we want to replace it, we can select it and it's highlighted in purple and click on the text on the quiz and then it replaces that. So you can do this one by one all the way until all of the options are available. It's up to you. I think it's the longer way to do this, but of course you can do this way by replacing the text with the designs that you already have on. And I guess this would make sense if you already have a template that you've created, or you took a template somewhere on Canva. Like I've showed you on this video that I've created a quiz using a template on Canva. You can go and create questions and then you can replace. Like I've just showed you now. With the question, you can go and replace it, and you replace the answers this way if you already have a template. I like the bulk create because it's quicker. And how do we do the bulk create? We can then add content in bulk. That's why they give us an option to say add all to design. When we select and we click on this, it gives us a Excel or CVS kind of a feedback that has all of our questions, all of our choices, and the correct answer in the last column. So how do we do the bulk create? And we do quizzes in a matter of minutes. The first section has the question and the choice, because I've done 3 choices and then the correct answer. We need to replace all of this with bulk create. How do we do that? We need to have another page that we would have opened up on Canva that is blank, whether it's a video or a PowerPoint, it doesn't matter. On your blank page, you're going to have text boxes. So I'm going to create a text box. I like my leaks pattern, so it's up to you what kind of font you want to use on your quiz. So you're going to create this on a separate page. And yes, you can have multiple tabs on Canva. They don't limit you to one tab. And on our first, and then we're going to have the first option, which is the question. We hold the Alt key, then we have choice 1, hold the Alt key, we have choice 2, and then we do choice 3. We want to have another page that has the answer. So we're going to duplicate this text box and we're going to replace it with answer. And we can duplicate this text box and we add correct answer. Now that you've created your question page and you've created your correct answer page, now you need to link it and have a bulk create. How are we going to do that? We're going to go to our apps and we're going to scroll down and look for bulk create. If you don't have it and you haven't used it before, you can always go to apps and search for bulk create. With the bulk create, there's a choice of us entering data manually or uploading data. You can go the long route to have the CVS downloaded from your tab. I wouldn't do that. I really wouldn't, because it would waste your time. The easiest way is to enter the data manually, which is why they gave us the option to say copy the content so that you do the bulk create. So I'm going to go to my bulk create page and I'm going to click where it says enter data manually. So it has given me 2 columns. I actually need how many columns? I'm going to go to my question and I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need actually 4 columns plus the page that's going to give me the correct answer. Therefore, I'm going to add text, so that I have 4 columns for the questions column. And then I'm going to do 1 more for the correct answer column. Then I'm going to go back to my quiz page. When you click on the 3 dots, it would select the column that you would like to copy. All of it. So I'm going to copy the column, go back to my quiz video page, and just above the first tab, I'm going to click so that it selects and highlights the whole column. Once it has selected the whole column, I'm going to add my data. So I'm going to Control V to add the data. Control V is pasting the data, which is question 1. Then I'm going to go back to my quiz page, go to the second column, click on the 3 dots so that it highlights the column, and I'm going to copy, go back to the video, tick just above, Control V to paste choice 1. And I will do the same for the third column, choice 2, choice 3. And then now we are off to the correct answer. Again, I want to copy, go back to my page, and I'm going to paste the correct answer. Once all of this is done, I'm going to click on done. Then Canva has created the fields for me. I have question 1, 2, 3, the choices, and the correct answer. Now I need to connect the data to the text tabs that I've created. Meaning, questions must be connected with questions. Therefore, you're going to click and highlight the question box so that it opens up the menu where there's more. When I click on the more, the 3 data, I want to connect data. And then it asks me, which data do you want to connect? I want to connect the question. Then I would select question. And then it has connected the question with a question. I go on the second one, 3 dots, connect data, choice 1. Next one, connect data, choice 2. Last choice, connect data, choice 3. Then I move over to my answer page. I want the correct answer. Therefore, also highlighted 3 dots, connect data. Which one? Correct answer. Once I've selected all of the fields and I'm happy that all of my data is connected, I click on continue. And then Canva asks me, select what you want to connect. I'm happy with all the data that I've connected on all my pages. It has all choices, questions. I'm happy with what's going on. It's going to generate for me 10 designs. Then I click on generate and I wait for the magic to happen. Canva is going to open a separate tab from what I'm working on to where I can find all of my questions, my answers, my questions, and my answers. Done for you. Nicely done. So now I can control what you want to do with how you want your quiz to look like. It's up to you. You will then customize it. It depends on what it is that you want to have on your quiz. I went with the pink color. The nice thing is whenever you choose color, you can change all. That makes the design even better for you. And if you would like to have A, B, C, and D, you can add all of that and you just customize it the way that you want it to look like and you make it your own. And it's pretty much done because then the last step would be you customizing it, adding music from Suno or wherever you're getting your music from, and then you make it your own and you're finished and done. The end results of my quiz ended up looking like this. I'm going to show you. Add fun sounds and, have fun with your quiz. But that's how you create this very cool quiz in a matter of minutes. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you've missed how to create music using Suno, please go watch this next video. We will see each other on our next video.